Samsung Note owners are panicking. Yesterday, every Note 9, Note 10, and Note 20 in America got a notification called System Configuration Update. Zero information about what it actually does. The Reddit thread is full of people scared their phone is about to be bricked. Good news, it's not dangerous. Bad news, it's not innocent either. Here's what's actually going on. First things first, this is not the actual Android software updating. It's not a security patch, it's a settings update coming from your phone company. Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T and Mint Mobile. They've sent it to every Samsung phone still on their network, including phones Samsung itself stopped supporting 2 years ago. Your Note is out of support, but your carrier can still touch it. Here's why people are nervous. There's literally no information about what's in it anywhere. No release notes, no Samsung post, no carrier announcement. Just a notification. What's worst is even if you have automatic updates turned off, this one can install itself anyway. Samsung's own help pages say settings updates can apply on their own, quote, for safety and security reasons. You don't really have an opt-out. A few people on Reddit were brave enough to install it and report back. The headline from one user, quote, nothing happened besides my text prediction turning back on. Another user said the same plus swiped the text. This is the bit nobody is talking about. The update is silently turning data sharing features back on, even if you specifically turned them off before. Predictive text and swipe to text don't just live on your phone. Every word you type gets sent to Google's keyboard servers, where it goes into training Google's AI. That's the trade for the convenience. If you turn those features off, you turned off that data sharing. This update turns it back on. No warning, no mention in the notification, quietly and on purpose. So here's my guru's catch. After the update lands, open settings, then general management, then keyboard. Find on-device personalization. Turn predictive text off. Turn swipe to text off. Then go back to settings, connections, more connection settings, and toggle off the one called auto update system configurations. That slows the next one down. The update isn't going to brick your phone, but it is undoing your privacy every time it lands, and now you know.